Welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're looking for a glue to prevent teary eyes, I definitely think that this is the one. I have the Ardell Gentle Glue here and it is latex free. The one thing that really caught my eye is the fact that it shows you can use it at home or professionally, and it does take 5 to 6 seconds to dry, which is a good average time if you're still learning, and it does last 2 to 3 weeks. And I highly suggest to keep track of your shelf life for any products you may have and to always review any instructions on each product. And I just wanted to say, if you haven't already, I really like to offer my subscribers many great video content, so if you haven't, definitely please subscribe. I will be using the Imina Matte Finish Eyelash Extension Mix Tray, 9 to 50 millimeters, and they are 10D. 10D represents the number of hair on each individual lash. These are 0.7 millimeter, which is lightweight, and it is a level D curled. Now I have two types of tweezers that you can use. I highly recommend to have both just in case. Sometimes when I feel like I have a hard time angling my hand for the inner and outer corner of my eyes, I definitely like to use the curled tweezers. And I will be using the tape method. If you guys haven't tried this out, I highly recommend it. These are all the main products I will be using today, and I did forget to include the mascara wand. You really want to make sure you have a mascara wand. It will help you brush out your lashes. I like to do my own research, and I found these pieces of information that I think will be very helpful for you. If you take a look at the left, it shows you guidelines on how to achieve certain looks, and if you take a look at the right, that will give you a better understanding of each curls. Now my natural lashes tend to point down a little, so I really like this trick. You want to apply the tape to the center of your eyelid and pull it up. This would give you a better visual of your natural lashes. I really enjoy doing the open eye, round eye style. If you guys want me to try other styles, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of style you would like for me to achieve next. Wow guys, I am definitely impressed by this glue. I really hope that you guys try it out. Let me know down below if you are and give this video a thumbs up. I honestly do feel like it is better than the Ardell glue. Okay, I just had to share this because I remember when I first did my own lash extensions, I had a really hard time gripping the lashes. As you guys can see, I am gripping near the base of the individual lashes. It's definitely going to take practice, but you can do it. Now I'll go ahead and take the tape and apply it to the outer part of my eyelid, pulling it towards the inner corner of my eye. This would help pull your eyelid towards that direction to give you a better visual of the outer corner lashes. Now I will continue to do the same method but with the inner corner of my eyes. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Overall, I'm super impressed by the glue. No teary eyes, and the bond for the glue is amazing. Didn't have any issues with sticking the lashes to my real lashes. I highly recommend that you guys purchase it. It will be linked down below. Any questions or comments, definitely leave it down below as well, and I will answer every single one. I will see you guys next time. Bye!